Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever questioned whether a younger woman is genuinely interested in dating an older man like yourself, but felt unsure about the signs to look for? Today, we're going to identify the specific actions and statements that might indicate her preference for someone more mature. For our bonus tip, we have a crucial piece of advice for effectively responding to these signs, enhancing your understanding and approach. Stay tuned for it. Before we jump in, why not give your love life a boost? Check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. Ready to gain insights into what she's really looking for? Let's get started and explore these signs together. 1. She enjoys your humor. Have you noticed how a certain someone laughs at even your corniest jokes? It's not just being polite. If she consistently finds humor in your quips, it could be a signal of deeper romantic interest. Laughter is a powerful tool in human connection, often reserved for those we feel a bond with. So, if she's genuinely amused by your sense of humor, this is a good sign. It's important to recognize that genuine laughter is different from the obligatory chuckle you might get in a group setting. Does she light up with a real hearty laugh that involves her whole face, maybe even her whole body? That's the kind of response that suggests she's not just being courteous. It indicates that she enjoys your company and finds you engaging. Beyond just the laughter, consider the context in which this happens. Is she making an effort to joke back or build on your humor? This back and forth can be a playful way to establish a deeper connection. It's not just about the laughter. It's about the shared moments and the pleasure of interaction that come with it. So next time you're together, throw in a joke or a witty comment and watch her reaction. If her laughter is easy and genuine and she actively participates in the humor, take it as a positive sign. This could be her way of showing that she appreciates not just your jokes, but your perspective and personality as well. 2. Physical touch. When she reaches out to touch your arm or shoulder, it's more than just a casual gesture. This kind of physical contact often points to a deeper sense of comfort and affection. Think about the times you're in conversation and she finds subtle ways to make contact. These aren't just accidental brushes. These are intentional touches that are meant to close the distance between you two. Physical touch is a strong indicator of interest. It's her way of expressing a connection that words alone might not fully capture. When someone uses touch as part of their communication, it often means they are comfortable with you and wish to enhance the sense of closeness. Notice how these touches occur. Are they during moments of laughter, agreement, or when sharing something personal? These are all key times when emotional bonds are strengthened through touch. Such behavior suggests she sees you as more than just a friend or acquaintance. Also, watch for the frequency of these touches. Occasional contact might just be friendly, but if she often looks for opportunities to make a physical connection, it likely means she values your presence and feels secure with you. This kind of behavior is a very positive sign in the world of attraction. So if you feel that gentle nudge or soft tap, remember, it's likely not just about the momentary need to get closer. It's about her feeling good with you right there by her side. 3. She shares personal stories and asks about your experiences. When a younger woman starts sharing personal stories and asking about your own experiences, it's a clear sign she's seeking a deeper connection. This kind of conversation goes beyond casual chit-chat about the weather or latest news. It dives into memories, values, and dreams, which are all pivotal in building a meaningful relationship. Consider the moments when she tells you about her childhood, her achievements, or even the challenges she's faced. These stories are not just for filling silence. They're a way for her to open up her world to you. It shows trust and the desire to let you know her more intimately. Furthermore, when she inquires about your past, it's not just curiosity. She's looking to understand where you come from, what has shaped you, and how you have navigated your journey. This exchange of personal narratives is a foundation for emotional intimacy. It's her way of aligning her life with yours, seeing how you both might fit together in a broader picture. Pay attention to how these exchanges make you feel. Are you more inclined to share your own stories in return? Does it feel like you are both gradually building a bridge toward each other? If yes, these are good indicators that her interest is genuine and she values what you bring to the relationship, not just in terms of companionship, but also wisdom and experience. 4. She values your advice and opinions. When a younger woman frequently seeks your advice and values your opinions, especially on significant issues, it reflects her respect and admiration for your life experience. This is more than just making conversation. It's about her recognizing your wisdom and insight as something worth considering in her own life decisions. Think about the times when she has asked for your perspective on big decisions, be it career moves, financial advice, or personal dilemmas. It's not merely about gathering different opinions, She is specifically choosing to include you in her decision-making process because she believes in the value of your judgments and experiences. This respect often extends into how she reacts to your advice. Does she consider it seriously? Does she follow through on what you suggest? These are indicators that she doesn't just hear you, she listens and applies what she learns from you. Also, take note of how she responds when you express your opinions on broader topics, such as politics, culture, or social issues. Her interest in your thoughts and her engagement in such discussions can signal that she's not only interested in you romantically, but also respects you as a mentor and guide. This mutual exchange isn't just flattering. It's a solid foundation for a relationship where both partners value each other's input. It shows that she sees you not just as a partner, but also as someone who can contribute meaningfully to her life's journey. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free 60-minute strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 5. Discusses future plans openly. When she starts talking about her future plans and includes you in those visions, or shows eagerness to know your thoughts about future scenarios, it's a strong indication that she's considering a serious relationship with you. This kind of openness about the future is not just casual daydreaming. It's a way for her to see how well your paths align and whether you envision a shared journey ahead. Pay attention to the specifics of these discussions. Does she mention you when talking about where she wants to live, her career plans, or even simpler plans like holiday destinations? It's a sign that she's mentally placing you in her future, which is a big step in terms of commitment. Also, observe how she reacts to your own future plans. Is she supportive? Does she ask thoughtful questions or offer to be involved in your plans? Her proactive engagement and support can be a clear sign that she values a future with you. These conversations about the future are not only about making plans together, but are also her way of gauging how well you both fit into each other's long-term visions. This kind of mutual consideration can lay a strong foundation for a relationship that extends beyond casual dating. So, the next time she brings up the future, take it as a positive sign. It means she is serious about your relationship and sees you as a part of her life in the long run. This is a key step toward building a lasting bond. 6. She introduces you to her friends and family. These introductions are a big step in any relationship. They're her way of integrating you into the most personal aspects of her life. This isn't just about adding a name to faces. It's about her showing those closest to her who you are and potentially vetting you as a significant part of her future. Watch how she introduces you. Does she seem proud and excited? Does she include details about your life and achievements? This enthusiasm can be a telling sign of her feelings and intentions. Also, consider the context in which these introductions occur. Are you being invited to important events or casual get-togethers? Both can indicate that she's serious about including you in all facets of her life. Additionally, pay attention to how her circle reacts to you. If they are welcoming and seem to know quite a bit about you already, it's likely she's been sharing positive aspects of your relationship with them. This is an affirmation of her respect and admiration for you, showing that she is open about her feelings and relationship intentions with those she cares about. Being brought into her social and family circles is not just a formality. It's her openly stating to those she loves that you are important to her and potentially a permanent addition to her life. This is a significant step towards a deeper and more committed relationship. Bonus tip: she respects your lifestyle and choices. A key indicator of genuine interest and compatibility in a relationship is when she shows respect for your lifestyle, career, and personal choices. This respect is about more than just accepting your decisions. It's about appreciating the stability and maturity that you bring to the relationship. Consider how she reacts to the core aspects of your life. Does she support your career ambitions? Does she value your routines and respect your decisions, even if they differ from her own preferences? This type of respect is foundational for a relationship that goes beyond surface-level attraction and builds towards real compatibility. It's also important to notice how she discusses these aspects of your life with others. Does she speak positively about your qualities and decisions when talking to her friends or family? This external affirmation is a strong sign that she not only respects you, but is also proud to be associated with you. Additionally, her respect for your lifestyle can manifest in her willingness to adapt or find ways to integrate her life with yours in a harmonious way. Whether it's showing interest in your hobbies, making time for your schedule, or even participating in some of your routines. These actions demonstrate a deep level of respect and interest in your world. Ultimately, if she respects your lifestyle and choices, it suggests that she values the person you are and is interested in building a future that respects both of your aspirations and dreams. This respect is a clear sign of a mature and meaningful connection. So now you know what a woman does if she's looking for an older man. What's next for you? Discover how to tell if she's attracted to you, or learn the art of subtle flirtation as an older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.